The dollar is flexing against the pound. Yen's flexing against the dollar. Welcome to the Forex chaos of April 2025. Stick with me because these insane markets are screaming opportunity, and I got the breakdown to keep you ahead of the game. Welcome back, everyone. It's Tom here, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Today, we're diving into the Forex firestorm of April 9th, 2025. It is 9:30 in the morning. Dollar, yen, sterling, dollar, sterling, yen, euro, yen are on the move, and it's wild out there. If you're ready to ride the wave, make sure you smash the like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on X while we break down markets all day, every day. So let's jump right in. Like the Forex market right now is a straight up battlefield. You know, what's going on right now with the Trump tariffs, the tantrum is the big spark. You know, those 104% tariffs on Chinese imports that hit last night, actually early this morning, have flipped the script. Now, also, China has also basically retaliated, but I want you to pay attention really closely to what's going on in the indexes. I mean, so far, it looks like things are starting to calm down. I got support at the S&P at 4,600. We haven't even really been close to that yet. The breakout really occurs if we can get above this 5,222. This basically high bars closed. That would be good to get a breakout. Basically filling this gap has been filled already, but actually sending the marketplace probably up to around 5,600. Now the Dow itself, the Dow took the biggest dump out of them all. The VIX index hit the highest it's been since 2020. Really a lot of fear out there, but fear breeds opportunity for markets, right? So I got support right now in the Dow at 36,955. That's coming in right now. Really, what we need to do is we need to fill this gap up here. We haven't filled this gap yet, right in this area right here. I think that is going to occur. If we could fill this gap, the market could come up, fill this gap, and make then a higher, higher low, and then basically break that 40,000. We're in good shape for the recovery of the stock market. All eyes are on those tariffs, though, and how the market is going to digest those. I believe that the marketplace has been fleeing to the yen for a safe haven. So let's get over to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen right now as it stands. Looking at a 1 hour chart, dollar yen's got to hold that 144 level. It's in good shape right now, the dollar versus the yen. Really, I would think a warning would be if we break 144.30. 144.30. Let me put a level right there. Let's go right here. Close enough. 144.30 would be a warning that we're going to come back down and potentially test this 144 the figure, 143.80-ish. I don't see that happening today. It looks like dollar yen is in a bit of a recovery mode. If it holds that 30 level, we could possibly see like up in this area right here. I would go like to 145.52, right up in this level right there. I would think that's where we're going. Let's go on with good old sterling dollar. Sterling dollar still in a bit of a funk. Not being able to close above that 128.20 level, showing that it's still drifting lower towards the 127, the figure level. Right now, as it stands, let's see something here. Oh, boy. There's the warning at 127, 127.60. It's got to hold this level, 127.60. See if it can crawl back. I'll put it right there, 127.57. Has to hold this level to try to get back up to this 128.20. If it breaks this level, it's drifting back lower to the 127.07, potentially even 126.5. Going over to good old sterling yen. This one we nailed. If you've been following me, and I mean, this one we nailed. I mean, look at this. Once we said we broke this level, I said we were going to go to like 183.80. I believe if you go back to one of my past videos recently, I think we're going. I said off flippantly, I go, this thing's going 183.80. Now we came damn close to it. We came down to 180, 184.40. Most people declare that a victory. But, I don't. I try to be as precise as I possibly can. So as we stand right now, there's support, really. The next level of support below this 184. Let me get rid of this thing here. 184 is 183.77-ish. 183.77. 183.70. Let's go 183.73. That's close enough. So right now it needs to hold 184.30. So 184.30 is the support point that it needs to hold. 184.30. I'll put us right here. 184. Yeah, that's close enough. I mean, we haven't even made that yet, but that's definitely the support point for the day to try to get us back up to like 185.96 potentially. I mean, I don't know. It all depends on what happens with dollar yen. If dollar yen can sustain a little bit of a rally and cable can stay pinned, or cable rallies and dollar yen comes off. But I don't really see it happening. I think today what's going to be happening is it's going to be, trending like in this area here, 185, the figure, 184.30. I don't think much is happening unless, like I told you, you got to pay attention to this stock market here. This stock market starts to take off. And it's showing that the market has digested these tariffs, and then it's just going to be complete. Yen might actually start to lose some of its luster, but I still think sterling is going to be in for the big hit. So it's still, I think, sterling yen pressure downward. All right, let's go over to euro yen. Euro yen. All right, this one's been holding up better than sterling yen for sure. Really hasn't done a complete meltdown yet. It's been basically trading in a tight range. If we look at, this bottom, really, it broke a little bit, but came back up above the bottom. Hang on a second here. Right here. Look at that bottom, it's a 1 hour chart, so there's not much to it. Let's go to a 4 hour chart. Let's see what a 4 hour looks like. Yeah, same damn. Well, actually, the bottom on the 4 hour, like a bottom pivot, is down here. So that would be a severe warning level. We break 158.99, 159 the figure. Marketplace is drifting lower towards like 158. All right, so as it stands right now, it's got to get above, where are we? It's got to get above 160. 160 is the resistance level on the day right now. We're damn close to it right now. We're damn close to it. 160.90. So 160 the figure. I mean, we popped it. We need to get above it, stay above it in order to show any strength. If we stay below this, we're drifting down to 159 the figure. That's where it stands. All right. So, it's a slugfest out there. Pound versus yen. It's spicy. Things are just heating up in the Forex market as usual. Make sure that you like and subscribe, please. And now before we wrapped it up, I want to just make sure that you head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. And remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.